What's up everyone, it is me, Ame, and today we are unboxing this new for 2024 is Tony Brenda Toyota GR86 Cup with blue from SWJ Imports 1010 with 203 under 250. There's nothing bad and there's a Toyota trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have no detail and the headlights on the hood with the Hot Wheels logo. Passenger side with Hot Wheels logo and empty. Rear with spoiler, driver side, and roof. The code says T20, that's the code. Okay? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.